Ishabarisa okushaba abantu okushabira obusinge nobuyaba nabwa nahabarisa bona kurwa omu kyanga kya Burengero Izooba abari omu kweherera aha kitebe kikuru ky'obureberezi bwa Ankole. Ogu yagira ngo abarisa binegumiza muno kuburira enjiri y'obusinge okusasirana okugarukana hamwe n'okuhana ekitiinisa.
To continue praying for Uganda this time of elections. We need to ensure that the message of peace is carried over, because now we have refugees coming here. Because there is a relative peace, but if this peace is gone and we are also supposed to become refugees, where shall we go?
Ogu bwanyuma yazo mu kampi y'Empunje ya Nakivaru mu district y'Isingiro aharika abazana aho yashaba amahango kwatanisa okuretaho obusinge.
Tukuume emirembe era mu kulonda kuno buli muntu ajjukire nti tuli bannayuganda banneekambagule tuli bantu b'amawanga ganjawulo era Katonda tutonda bw'ati tuli bantu abalina ebibiina ebyenjawulo era Katonda tutonda bw'ati waliwo ebibiina ebyobufuzi birema okutwawukana.
Ogona nabwe yasiima gavumenti hamwe n'abantu abarkwakira hamwe n'okureberera Empunji kandi yahikaho n'aha kanisa ya St Peter Kashojwa omuri Nakivale. Ogu nabwe yakozesa omugisha ogw'okutongoza okwezi kw'abaana okurukubaho buri kwezi kwa 11 buri mwaka n'ekigenderwa ky'okuheereza abaana amatsiko hamwe n'ebikorwa birungi. Ishabarisa hona yahaye ebintu ebirikwesunisibwa omu ka ebirimu obuhunga, ebihimba, ebitookye, sabuni hamwe n'ebindi.
Like for us, we as children, in the whole month you find you are eating one type of meal.
With a donation from the Church of Uganda and the members of Church of Uganda, targeting to support refugees in Nakivale refugee settlement.
Obwa hati Uganda ine empunji zirikuhika miliyoni 1.9 kandi ahari ab'ebicweka 5 harigana n'abakazi hamwe n'abaana b'abishiki. Amakuru aga gashakwa Edson Kinene.